What's up guys, it's iDevice Forever here, and today I'm here with a giveaway for you guys. And the giveaway is of the Apple Watch. This video is being made possible because of our sponsor for today's video, that is Dr. Phone. If you guys don't know what Dr. Phone is, what they do and stuff, they're basically a company that makes softwares and apps that help you to solve the many issues you face while using your phone, whether it's Android or iOS, and this helps you to have an all-round better experience with your phone. They help you to fix bugs, repair your phone, backup and restore, and much more. Well, now coming to the giveaway and how to participate in it. So you basically need to answer a few questions relating to your iCloud storage in order to enter the giveaway. So this is the page right here. So I'm going to have it linked in the description down below, and you need to answer the questions here as well. So let's go ahead and answer the questions, and obviously you need to answer them relating to yourself. So have you turned on iCloud Backup? Yes. And yep. Right, that's it. And then just go ahead and enter your name, right, and your email address as well. So they're basically gonna email you if you win, right? And then click on submit, and there you go, you have participated in the giveaway. So obviously guys, if I win, I'm obviously just going to give it ahead to you guys, so don't worry about that. Let's just go ahead and check the rules and the prize. So these are the rules that you need to make sure you complete in order to win the giveaway. So the rules are: finish the test above, and you enter a valid email address, and the winner will be announced on the 10th of August on their Facebook page. So don't worry, I'm going to be linking that in the description down below as well. And this is the prize, the Apple Watch Series 1 38mm, and that's it. So make sure you finish the test, and of course invite your friends to join so that they too have a chance to win and win the Apple Watch. So what this page basically shows you is the many ways and methods that you can use in order to use your iCloud storage more efficiently, because we all do know that we just get 5 gigs from Apple for free, and then we need to pay more for getting more on our iCloud storage, which is actually a pretty huge hassle, since I guess almost no one pays for it. So in the end, we just end up losing our data, so we lose important messages and contacts and stuff like that. So what Dr. Phone helps you to do is they have a software which helps you to regain your data. It helps you to back up and restore your phone, which is a really good deal. So here there is an option to try it for free. So just go ahead and click on that. Of course, the link is in the description down below. And once you're done with that, it's gonna be looking something like this. For iOS, it's gonna be looking something like this. Of course, there is an option for Android as well. So you have the many options right here. You have the screen recorder, you have your full data eraser, and Kik, backup and restore, Viber, and Line, and also WhatsApp. So of course you have the system recovery as well. So we're going to just go ahead and do the data backup and restore for this video. Click on this. Alright, so this is how it's going to be looking like. It's firstly going to connect to your phone. Obviously you have to connect it via your lightning cable. And once it's connected, you just got to choose on all of the things that you need to back up and restore. So for the sake of this video, let's just go ahead and choose on contacts, notes and attachments, and okay, Safari bookmarks. Okay, and then just click on backup. So it's going to be backing up your phone, and do not disconnect the device, and I'll get back to you guys once that's done. Alright guys, so it's done backing up my phone, and this is all the data it was able to get from my phone. These are the Safari bookmarks, and from the notes it's been able to get these two right here, so which I made for the purpose of the video. Okay, so now what is data backup and restore? So basically, as we all know, we just get 5 gigs of iCloud storage, which is pretty less. So in case you want to get more space, and in order to hack iCloud storage, all you have to do is basically back up all the photos and all your contacts and stuff like that to the PC, make it stored over here, and then you can just go ahead and delete everything from your phone in order to get more storage. And once you want all those photos or contacts and whatever you want, you can just restore them back to your phone anytime you want. So this way you can get unlimited iCloud storage onto your phone. So let's just think I want to back up this to my computer. So just go ahead and export PC and click on recover right here. And then as you can see, it's stored onto my computer right here. And then I can just get it anytime I want from that particular folder. And let's just see, go back right here, and let's try to restore some data from my previous backup files. Okay, so let's just go to this one right here. Okay, so it's going to be showing me all the data that I have from there. So let's just go to Safari bookmarks, and then let's just say I want to restore this onto my phone. So click on that, and let's click on this as well, and this as well, right? So now let's just go ahead and restore to my device, and restore to device again, and okay. So it's going to be restoring back to my phone, and as you can see, restore is completed, and it's that simple, guys. So this way you guys can get a lot of iCloud storage. You don't have to worry about your data being lost. So that is a really huge plus for you guys. Okay, so guys, again, this is the giveaway details. Make sure you have finished every step of giving your details, your email address and stuff like that. And again, it will be announced on 10th August 2018. If you win, they will tell you via email. And again, the prize is an Apple Watch Series 1 38mm. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.